Good morning, everyone.
Today is going to be fun!
What a beautiful morning.
Let's make something special today.
How about your favorite childhood recipe?
Please, Grandma! Let's cook like old times!
This was my favorite when I was young.
Where are the chef hats? I think this shrunk. Ta-da, chef mode.
Now you look like real chefs. They look so proud.
Look at my apron!
I can't see. You all look wonderful.
Let's get started. I'll check the recipe. We need more tomatoes.
I'll get the bowls! I found the carrots!
Great job, sweetie. I'll get the herbs.
Come back here!
Go get them. You can do it.
Yeah!
That's my girl.
Got one! Hee
These recipes hold many memories.
Are you sure you're a chef?
Absolutely.
Slow and steady makes perfect vegetables.
I'm ready to help!
Look how fast I can stir.
Maybe a little slower.
Incoming soup attack.
What was your kitchen like when you were little?
Very different from this one.
How?
And then the potatoes rolled everywhere.
Just like today. You remind me of my childhood. That smells amazing.
I'm getting hungry.
Slow and careful.
Like this?
That face was priceless.
This is my favorite part of cooking together.
My mother used to make this stew for our family.
Really, Grandma?
What's the secret ingredient?
A little patience and a little love.
Oops! Uh-oh!
Oh, the spices!
It's a flavor explosion. He's so tickly.
Yummy chaos!
Oh!
No problem. We can fix this together.
I'll help!
That's the spirit, team. Look at you all working together.
We're a good team!
Now it's cooking perfectly. It smells wonderful.
I will protect the stew!
Captain Stew Defender.
Catch me!
I'm coming.
Catch me! I'm coming!
Go get her, champ.
You're almost there. One time, I burned an entire batch of cookies.
Really?
The smoke alarm never stopped.
That was a great story.
Thank you.
Tell another one, Grandma!
All right, one more. It's almost ready. It smells amazing.
Everyone smile.
Cheese!
Great. One more.
I'm Chef Lily! You look amazing!
look behind Grandma.
This kitchen feels so happy today. Yeah, Grandma, it's fun. The stew smells wonderful.
And the grill is perfect.
The pancakes are ready.
Good cooking takes patience.
I'm learning.
That's it. Slow and steady. Just a little extra flavor.
Perfect.
Just one more taste. Me too.
Whoa!
That's salty.
That was the saltiest spoonful ever.
My face still feels funny.
Let's make the table beautiful.
I'll carry the spoons.
I've used this ladle for many years.
It's beautiful.
Now it's perfect.
Dinner is almost ready.
Here we go.
I can't wait.
It's amazing!
That's a good sign.
It's the best stew ever. Thank you, sweetheart. It's the best stew ever. Thank you, sweetheart.
These flavors are incredible.
Just like I remember.
Today, I want to teach you something special. I'm ready to learn. These are secrets I learned over many years. I can't wait to hear them. Every herb has its own personality. They smell wonderful. This is thyme. It's great for roasts. So earthy. And this parsley adds freshness. A small herb can change an entire meal. That's amazing. Cook onions slowly. Why? They become sweeter. Slow cooking builds flavor. Patience makes food better. Good food takes time. I understand.
What are you doing?
Sharing cooking secrets.
Can we learn too?
Of course! Let's start with these carrots. Wow, they're so colorful! Both can be useful. It depends on the recipe. Which is better for soup? Frozen peas are perfect for soup. What about the carrot? Fresh is great for salads. A little salt helps.
But too much is bad.
Always taste before serving. That's a great rule. Taste often, so we can improve it? Exactly, let's all try.
Delicious. It's perfect, Grandma.
Wonderful. A little more salt. Your nose helps too. It smells delicious. The most important ingredient is love.
That's my favorite ingredient.
Let's see if I learned well. I know you did. It looks perfect.
Yay, Mom! We knew you could do it!
Here we go, everyone. The soup is ready. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you for teaching me.
Yay, it's delicious!
So good.
Welcome to my baking secrets.
Wow, look at all those tools!
Every recipe tells a story. These notes are wonderful.
In baking, every measurement matters.
It's like a science experiment.
Oops! It's snowing inside.
Butter changes everything. I never knew that.
Cold ingredients behave differently. So temperature is important?
Slow and steady. Now you try, dear.
The dough looks perfect!
That's it. Keep going.
My turn! I want to stir! What did you add? That's my secret.
Chocolate? Marshmallows? Nope. Cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla beans? Still nope.
Now we wait. The hardest part of baking.
They smell so good!
That means they're almost ready.
Wow! They look perfect!
Grandma's secret worked!
These are the best cookies ever! Can we make them again tomorrow?
Maybe.